The numeric values used in this video are based on the optimum moisture content and maximum dry density previously determined for this specific soil and mold size. The results of the lime demand test, which determines the appropriate lime content for stabilization. For in situ soils, it is essential to first conduct compaction and lime demand testing. Water should then be added based on the difference between the existing moisture content and the target OMC. We begin with 3,104 grams of wet soil, prepared by thoroughly mixing 2,685 grams of oven-dried, crushed clay soil with 419 milliliters of distilled water, 80.6 grams of lime. We will also require the following equipment: a large flat pan, a mixing bowl, and a spatula for mixing, an electronic balance, a spray bottle for applying solutions, appropriate measuring cylinders and syringes, and a standard compaction mold with a 105 mm diameter and approximately 1,000 cubic centimeters volume. To prepare the sample, evenly spread the pre-wetted soil in a large flat pan. Smear and break down large clumps to create a uniform layer. Sprinkle 80.6 grams of lime evenly across the surface of the soil. Mix thoroughly with the spatula. Then, using a steel plate or flat trowel, press and drag the soil firmly across the pan to improve uniformity. Assemble the compaction mold with the collar securely attached. Fill the mold with soil in 3 equal layers. After placing each layer, compact it using 25 blows from the rammer. Repeat this process for the second and third layers. The final layer should slightly overfill the mold, just below the top of the collar. This ensures the total compacted height will be greater than the mold height, allowing it to be trimmed flush after compaction. After compaction is complete, remove the collar and trim the surface level with a straight edge. Once compaction is complete, transfer the mold to a removal jack and extract the sample carefully. Seal the compacted sample with plastic wrap. Place it into an open plastic container, then into a sealed curing barrel. Inside the barrel, place a separate small container filled with water to maintain humidity. Close the lid to create a non-drying, humid environment. Allow the sample to cure for an additional 7 days. Once the curing period is complete, measure the weight of the sample with a pre-weighed container. The sample is ready for unconfined compressive strength testing.